Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is the last of the Hurricane Florence trees. I've been cutting and moving and burning and stacking and I'm wore out. I'm old and I'm wore out, but this is the last of it. I'm trying to get that trunk to burn. And you see how that looks haunted up there. But it's raining today, so there's a little bit of smoke coming from where it's been burning. But I'll get it started up again and take the tractor and push everything closer to that trunk, and hopefully it burns it for the most part, and it'll fall over, because if it falls over, then I can get that relatively easily. And it's been a struggle. I still got a little bit left to do, but not like I'm in short rows now, as they say. The old people used to say, well, you're in short rows. I said, well, they don't look any shorter to me. But I'm just glad to be getting this place finished. I'll have to get here and bush hog this area, and I still got a lot of sticks and stuff, as you can see, to pick up. But it's been a process, to say the least. I took a couple weeks off from work to work on this, and it's been well worth it. Exhausting, because I've been going from sunrise to dusk, and I even took time to plant a garden in between all that, like I had good sense. Who knows why I do what I do sometimes, but I'm getting it squared away. You can see my fields all plowed, and back in that area, you see my hay bale garden. And, you can't see the greenhouse back there. But I've still got a composter to move over there, and I got compost in there. I'm going to take and put that on my hay bales to kind of provide nutrients to my collards and cauliflower and broccoli. All of it's looking good. It's been in the ground now approximately 3 days. And once you plant something, it goes through a shock. Even though you water it, it's still in shock. Well, that next day, I was going to water it that night, and that way, a lot of people say, oh, don't water at night. Well, I water where the water will have more shelf life, so to speak, where it won't evaporate, because we just had some heat waves here in North Carolina. So it started raining yesterday, and it's been raining. And it's drizzling now, as you can maybe able to tell on this camera or not. And so that hay will hold the moisture and help those plants grow, especially in about a week, probably about Monday or Tuesday. I'll put that compost on there, and then in about 2 more weeks, I'll take and sprinkle just a little bit of fertilizer, take and put it in the hay right next to the plant, and that way it can just, as it rains, it'll get some liquid nutrients over there to the plant. And we'll see how that does. This is my first year. I've never done square bale gardening, so we'll see how it does. And I'm about at 3.5 minutes on this video. It's kind of a long rant. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.